Good evening, boys and girls, and moms and dads. We are so happy tonight that you could join us for our virtual math night where we will be making bunny tail trail mix for our using math in the kitchen night. So this is Miss Bernie and I'm Miss Casey, and we are going to show you exactly how we use math to make a fun Easter treat with you guys tonight. Miss Bernie, do you want to tell all the kids hi?
Hi, boys and girls. Hi, parents.
All right, and so let's see if we can get started. What is that? Do you hear a knock at the door?
I do.
Are you expecting anyone tonight?
Not tonight.
Let's see who it could be. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, we have a very special guest tonight with us. It's the Easter Bunny. And the Easter Bunny is going to help us tonight to make our bunny tail trail mix. And we are going to see exactly how we can use math to make a special Easter treat. All right, so everyone had the bunny tail trail mix recipe that was sent home today with your students. We also are going to have this available that we're going to send via Remind and on our webpage in case you don't have it. And it just is going to talk about what is on a recipe. On a recipe, we have our instructions. So it's just like whenever we are working any kind of problems, we're going to read everything first. And just like with reading, Miss Bernie, how do we start to read on a paper?
We start at the top and we read down to the bottom.
Right. So our first section is our ingredients. So our ingredients are cereal, pretzels, Cheerios, candies, chocolate chips, and mini marshmallows. Now we're going to follow the instructions. And with the instructions, we're going to start with number 1. And it is very, very important that we follow the instructions and do it step by step to make sure that the recipe comes out. All right, so it says in a large mixing bowl, we're going to mix all of the ingredients together except the chocolate chips. Now, Miss Bernie, that word except, what does that mean?
That means we're not going to put them in.
Right, so we're going to put everything in except no chocolate chips. All right, so it says 3 cups of Chex cereal. So you can use any cereal. We do have Chex cereal. We also have Cinnamon Toast Crunch tonight or Fruit Loops. Any cereal will work. So we're going to have 3 cups of the Chex cereal into the bowl. So if we need 3 cups and this is 1 cup, how many do we need?
3.
3, very good.
Here's 1.
So that's 1 cup, 2 cups, 3
3
cups.
cups.
All right. What do you think about that, Bunny? Looking good? Good. All right. 1 cup of pretzels. Now, if we have, this says
A half a cup.
a half a cup. So we're using 1 cup, and this is a half a cup. So the 1 cup is bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger. How many half a cups do you think is in 1 cup?
2.
Right. So just like if we had a circle and we cut it in half, we would have 2 halves make 1 whole circle. So 2 half cups equal 1 cup. So if you only had a half a cup, you would do 2 half a cups to make 1 cup. So let's do 1 cup of pretzels.
So we're going to do 2.
This is our little part to put into the cup.
Half a cup. Another half a cup equals
1 cup. Very good. All right. So 1 cup of Cheerios. All right, so we have our Cheerios here. Now we had our Chex Mix here, and we can talk about shapes because we also learned about shapes in math. So a Chex Mix is a
Square.
square. Very good. And now here we have Cheerios. What shape is a Cheerio?
Circle.
Circles. All right. So we are going to need 1 cup of Cheerios. Now you can do Fruit Loops again if you did not have these Cheerios at home. You can do Fruit Loops.
And these are
Also,
circles also,
yes.
just like the Cheerios.
All right. Let's see. Miss Barney, which one would you like to use, the Cheerios or the Fruit Loops?
I like Cheerios.
All right. Cheerios it is. So we're going to do 1 cup of Cheerios
Okay.
into the bowl. A 1/2 cup of Easter candy. So I have 2 different choices here. We did have some M&Ms that you can use, or I know a lot of us have these around for Easter. These are just the little chocolate eggs. Either one would work. And we are going to need a 1/2 cup. So we have our 1/2 cup. Miss Bernie, which one did you want to use?
I like all of them, but let's do these. Because it's all the Easter colors. Half a cup.
Right. All right. Our next is the mini marshmallows. Now, I do have colored mini marshmallows or white ones. I think the white ones kind of look like bunny tails, and that is for our bunny tail trail mix. So I think we should try the white ones, and we're gonna need 1/2 cup of those. Bunny, what do you think about these mini marshmallows? Oh yeah, you would like to eat those, huh? Yum.
Okay, 1/2 cup.
1/2 cup. There we go. Now we are going to place the white chocolate. That's all of our ingredients. So let's see. How's that looking? So we used all of our ingredients that were listed on the ingredients list, and we mixed them all together in 1 mixing bowl. Okay, so our next step, step number 2, is to put the white chocolate chips in the microwave and melt them. Now we need 1 cup of the white chocolate chips. So 1 cup, and with that into a microwave safe bowl, and we're gonna get our parents to help us with this part of the process, and we are going to microwave them for 1 minute and 30 seconds until it's smooth.
Okay.
And through the magic of TV, we have it already melted here. So we're stirring that up, stirring it up. Now, Miss Barney, it says step number 3 is to pour the chocolate over the snack mix and stir. Do you smell that chocolate, Bunny? And we all know the Easter Bunny loves chocolate. All right, so we are going to pour. Miss Barney, would you like to get us a spoon so we can stir?
Sure.
We're going to pour over our mix. And I think this is the bunny's favorite part.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we're going to stir. Bunny, do you want to help stir? There we go. All right. So we get all of that really stirred up, and then we are going to take out our pan with our wax paper. And we are going to pour it out onto the pan. Now at this time, while the chocolate is still melted, you can always add, I like to add a little bit of sprinkles. So we have our little Easter sprinkles.
Like
These look
these.
like eggs, and we all know the bunny loves eggs. So we are going to sprinkle it on the top.
It's so pretty.
And then as this cools, we have our bunny tail trail mix. So let's just do a recap of everything that we learned tonight, Miss Barney. We learned about recipes, reading them from the top to the bottom, the importance of following
Directions.
the directions, and making sure that we go in order, number 1 down to number 5. Because if we had poured the chocolate in first, what would have happened to our trail mix? It wouldn't have still been melted by the time we were done, and it wouldn't all come together like this. We also learned about shapes. So we had our different shapes for our cereal. We had squares, we had circles, our pretzel sticks or lines, our little sprinkles or circles.
And the pretzels are long. Yeah, you said that. Lines.
All right, so we had all of our shapes. We learned about measurements. We learned that 1 cup and 1/2 a cup, and 1/2 a cup is smaller than 1 cup, and 2 halves make
1 cup.
1 cup. So 2 halves make 1 cup, so that's fractions. All right, let's see, what else did we learn tonight with our ingredients? And we learned that when you add these all together, it makes a wonderful treat. So, again, we're super happy that the Easter Bunny could join us tonight. We hope that you enjoyed this little Easter treat that you can make with your family. And we hope that you had a great time and have a very happy Easter.
Happy Easter, boys and girls and parents.